Priced at $13,000, we have a 2009 heavily upgraded Harley-Davidson FLHX Street Glide in color Sunglow Red. It's a real shiny bike, a lot of chrome, upgraded everything. Grips, kind of a mini ape handlebars. Sunglow Red is sure pretty too. Quick look at the odometer shows, wow, wouldn't have guessed this, almost 49,000 miles. This bike has been babied its entire life. Got to see him and hear him right there. Previous owner spent some money. Reinhardt exhausts. I have Reinhardt's on my Ultra Classic. I love them. Loud enough to be heard, yet not obnoxious enough to set off every car alarm on your street. Docking hardware is in place as well as a luggage rack. It's an 09, so it has a 96 cubic inch V-twin engine, 6-speed transmission. Well taken care of motorcycle, and available for test rides and looks and listens 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.